Hello everyone, welcome to the Social Star News. So today news is about the COVID-19 test billing. Texas man shocked after his COVID-19 test, not due to the result but the bill. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, several instances of the shocking high prices for the COVID-19 test have come to the fore in the United States. The Texas-based Travis Warner had his heart in his mouth after he underwent a COVID-19 test at a center in Lewisville. It was not the COVID-19 test result that shocked him, which was negative, but the bill. Travis Warner was charged 56,384 US dollars, including 54,000 for an PCR test and the rest for an antigen test and the facility fee. NPR.org reported such stories are not new in the United States. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, such instances of shocking high prices for COVID-19 tests have come to the fore. Usually, PCR COVID-19 tests quote anywhere between $8 to 15 in the US. What is wrong with the US? This guy bill for a few tests came to 54,000. His wife insurance negotiated her cost down to $1,000. PCR tests themselves can cost. Travis Warner, who installed internet and video systems, saw his business increase after COVID-19 struck last year as the people became strapped to their couches for months. Warner and his employees took precautions such as wearing masks and maintaining social distancing even when visiting their clients' home. However, in June 2020, one employee tested COVID-19 positive. It was just like dodging bullets every week, Warner told NPR.org. Due to the limited testing availability at that time, Warner and his family and his wife drove around 30 minutes from their home in Dallas to a free-standing emergency room in Lewisville. Warner, 36, had a health plan from Manila Healthcare. This is where he was handed the astronomical bill of $56,384. Manila Healthcare negotiated rate for both tests and the facility fee totaled 16,915.20, which the insurer paid in full. Interestingly, his wife, who underwent the same test the same day at the same place, was billed $2,000. She has a separate insurance policy which settled the claim for less than $1,000. For coronavirus tests, much like else in American healthcare, there is no cap to what providers can charge, said Lauren Adler, Associate Director of the USC Brookings Initiative for Health Policy. When asked about Warner COVID-19 test bill, a spokesperson for Monila Healthcare told NPRG that this matter was a provider billing error which Monila identified and corrected. For such news, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.